What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Anthony the Handyman, back with another video. It's Tuesday morning. Y'all see what's going on. I got the trailer on. So yesterday I went to talk to my customer that's a doctor, and sorry about that. And he wanted a bunch of stuff done to his dock. So I ran to this aluminum place that I deal with, and they bend and form aluminum however you need it, gutters, anything, sheets of aluminum. They could form it and bend it however you want it. So I ordered that yesterday. Doctor paid for it yesterday, and it's ready today. So I'm gonna run and get a coffee, run to Lowe's and grab paint, nails, screws, everything that I need, and then head over to the aluminum place and grab that stuff. I'll link their name in the description. If everybody in the Bradenton, Sarasota Bay Area needs to get aluminum, anything done, bent, formed, this place is awesome. Great prices. You can always go there and tell them Anthony the Handyman sent you. So I'm gonna catch back with you guys shortly. Peace. Also, y'all see what's going on, man. I got them poles with me because I'm right on the water. You know I'm gonna throw a line in today. You see what's going on, everybody, at Lowe's. Just got all this stuff to replace this dock. They're about to load me up right now on the composite board. I'll get back with y'all as soon as that's coming out so y'all can see that process. Down, ready to go, everybody. 56 boards of composite wood. It's weighing down on that truck. It's bringing that, instead of that truck back end being down, since it's all the weight on the back, it's popping it up. So hopefully this ball don't come off. I think we should be okay. Show you all aluminum, guys.
I got another stack coming.
All right.
It's a 3-piece and then a 5-piece.
Okay.
I got 9 and I got another 9 of the 18-piece.
Okay. Yeah, I'll grab it. We'll load it down, everybody. Tons and tons of weight. Beautiful day, guys. Bradenton, Florida. Water's nice and blue. Traffic's crazy. On my way to my customer's house, everybody. It's crazy how when you live here, you barely ever get into the water or on the water. But people come here just for this. Y'all see what's going on, man. All loading this trailer. Trying to get all this stuff to the back. Huh? Is it one of these? All right. All right. Did y'all see that view, man? Seen it? Yeah. man. Probably from like how they had it strapped, like in the bundle.
Got your little video set up there? Huh? You got your little video box up there?
Yeah. So I got everything unloaded, everybody. You see it. 56 boards. All that aluminum I had special made. Some wood. Everything else right there. Paint brushes, screws. So I'm gonna explain to you guys a little better today that because yesterday y'all didn't really see too good. So this deck right here, all this is coming up. All this wood's coming up and it's getting composite wood down. All that's coming up, composite wood down. Then this is all getting pressure washed. All the cement's getting pressure washed and painted all the way down to the end. I'm pressure washing and painting this. This little piece right here under here is getting redone with composite board. So I'm pressure washing all this, and then all this wood, guys, on the sides, I'm fixing it up, screwing it back in if tight. This bumper guard right here, this rubber bumper guard's coming off, and then I'm putting aluminum fascia stuff all the way across, planing all over all this wood, all the way on the end, everywhere. So I'll probably pressure wash all this stuff for them too. All this fencing, this PVC stuff. You see the houses, you see the view, everybody. Beautiful sunset going down. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Bradenton, Florida, man. You gotta love Florida. Look at this, guys. So I definitely brought my fishing pole, guys. I'm gonna slay my fishing pole with this little worm out there a couple times. And set this phone up on a tripod. House is beautiful, guys. Here, everybody. So just out here a couple times. Bite over there, guys. I had the camera on. Right? Could have been a crab also. I ain't no professional fisherman. I don't even know what sheephead bite on. I'm just using like a little lure. So if y'all haven't already, man, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so y'all know when Anthony the Handyman dropping another video. I know everything on today's video wasn't all about work, but sometimes you have to relax, and some days you have to just pick up material, drop off material, guys. So hopefully tomorrow's video, y'all see some action, pressure washing. I might actually pressure wash here and then shoot straight over to the house that needs to be painted and pressure wash. Since I'm gonna have to rent the pressure washer because mine is a little too small. But again, y'all comment on anything y'all want to see or anything y'all think I could do differently. Keep all the negativity, man, to yourselves, man, please. This is breed positivity on my channel, in the world. Push out positive, positive come back to you, man, tenfold. Shout out to Marty Mart for promoting my channel. Y'all go to Marty Mart's channel, man, and get in his giveaway. He's giving away a Mercedes, I think a 300 class or something, drop top. Outrageous paint, rims. It's a beautiful car, you guys. Go Marty Mart on YouTube. Check him out. M-A-R-T-Y Mar, M-A-R, Marty Mart on YouTube. And y'all support his giveaway. I think he does $5 tickets, and he's doing like some crazy sale on the tickets right now. Y'all just go to his YouTube and hit his link in his description, and it'll take you to his giveaway. Again, that's Marty Mar on YouTube. I hope everybody enjoyed today's video, man. I appreciate everybody. I thank y'all, man. If y'all came to this part of the video, y'all are soldiers. It's a blessing for y'all to watch me this far. And only way Anthony the Handyman's going is up, man. And I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Y'all see all them fish? Y'all see them? Let that thing zoom in, focus. Y'all can see them. Y'all can see my little worm down there, right? You see the fish messing with it? Watch it. They're down there. I just don't have the right lure on them. Oh, y'all see that big sheephead? Right there. Damn. Right there, guys. Right there. Y'all see him? Right there. Y'all can see him. I know it's a little blurry, but y'all can see them stripes. Let me come back in the view. There we go. Y'all can see them. Beautiful sunset, everybody. One more thing. I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. When y'all see this video, it'll be Wednesday. The next day will be Thanksgiving. Hope everybody has a good turkey day, gets full, and tells their loved ones, or just has a thought of everything you're thankful for that year, man. And then New Year's coming. Think about everything you're gonna wish for and put in play for the following year, 2026, man. Only way I'm going, Anthony the Handyman's going, is up in 2026, man. No looking back. Appreciate everybody. Till tomorrow.